pulling your hands apart. Okay, I'd like to think most of you know that there are many downsides to being sat down for too long, and doubtless I would imagine that Google employees have a corporate wellness department advising you of such. But it's all too easy, isn't it, to get sucked into your computer and notice a few hours later that you haven't moved. And I think this could very well be the next big health issue that we have looming around the corner. And this is why I'm doing this video. I'm going to do a series of videos just to offer some advice, some tips, some reminders, because a lot of it you know already, but some reminders about stepping away from the computer. But even if you're not going to step away physically from the computer and you don't have a standing desk and you're not perhaps sitting in a squat position every now and again, there are still things you can do just being sat on a chair. And in fact, my friends over at SOMA Breath, they've put together a free app that is a Chrome extension called Chair Guru, and it reminds you every hour with a guided video about different exercises that you can do. So here's an example of something that you can do, which something that SOMA Breath would refer to as Bruce Lee's secret. Okay, so these are very simple exercises, something that everybody can do. And as I said, you can do it sat at your desk, and really you only need a couple of minutes to do it. So, first one, bring your palms together, like so. Take a deep inhale. Exhale through pursed lips for 12 seconds whilst pressing as hard as you can against those palms. So, good. Now, bring your hands again together. And this time I want you to grab hold with your fingers. You're going to be pulling them apart, of course, but do exactly the same thing. So let's do right over left, first of all. Deep inhale. Exhale for 12 seconds through pursed lips, whilst pulling your hands apart. Should feel it in your shoulders. Let's do that again. So, left over right, clasp those hands together. Inhale all the way. Exhale through pursed lips for 12 seconds whilst pulling apart. Good. Now, take a couple of fists, and we're going to almost hot potato it. Exactly the same idea. So let's do left over right. Place both fists on top of each other. Take a deep inhale. Push down with your left, push up with your right. Exhale through pursed lips for 12 seconds. And again, right over left. Good. Now let's do both fists in a similar fashion to palms together. Let's do both fists together. So again, you'll feel this around the chest, in the shoulders. Fists together. Deep inhale. Exhale for 12 seconds through pursed lips. Good. Now lastly, it's helpful if you've got a chair that you can grab hold of. And we're going to inhale all the way. And then I want you to pull up with your shoulders, your arms, as if you're lifting the chair, which of course you won't be able to do because you're sat down. But you should feel it in your shoulders, in your triceps, etc. So inhale all the way. Pull up, exhale through pursed lips for 12 seconds. Good. Pretty simple, isn't it? You've given your body a little bit of a workout and you've not even had to leave your chair. But, of course, as a passing note, that's all very well and good. And I'll be putting a couple of other exercises out there, but it doesn't mean that you can go through a whole day being sat in front of the computer doing that every hour, of course. But I'll give you some other ideas and tips in the coming days. Thanks for watching. Evolution of Dave, signing off. Bye for now.